Merry Christmas.
Okay, so what we have here is I took about 5 bacon potatoes, washed them, peeled them, sliced them. Going to shake some Lowry seasoning on. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic. Some black pepper. And some kosher salt. I'm gonna toss those around. Get that seasoning all over them best I can. Then I'll be back and show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so I've took my wire mesh basket, lined the bottom with foil. I'm going to pour my potatoes onto that. And I am fixing to put them on the smoker at about 250 for probably somewhere around 45 minutes to an hour. Then we'll be back. Got those potatoes going down there, soaking up some good hickory and pecan smoke. So I pulled my potatoes off the grill from the smoker, and we'll put them in the pan. Put some bacon bits, some cheddar cheese, and some butter on them, and put them in the oven. So I put some pats of butter. Actually, I'm going to use some mozzarella instead of cheddar tonight. So we get all that on there. Then I'm going to come back and hit it with some freshly fried bacon bits. And I'm going to put this in the oven for probably around 30 minutes. And let it cook. Okay, I just pulled them out of the oven. Smoked loaded potatoes. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you later.